Did you know that 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? That means most people are one unexpected bill away from financial disaster. Scary, right? But here's the good news. You don't need to earn six figures to become a millionaire. In fact, many millionaires started with low salaries. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you earn. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to build wealth, even on a modest income. Ready to see how? Let's dive in. 4 keys to millionaire status. 1. Budget like your future depends on it. Because it does. You can't grow what you don't measure. Start tracking every single dollar. Yes, even the $5 coffee. Create a budget that prioritizes 3 things. 1. Saving at least 20% of your income. 2. Paying off high-interest debt. 3. Allocating money for investments. And no, budgeting isn't the same as punishing yourself. Think of it like a diet. You don't have to give up pizza entirely. You just can't eat the whole box. 2. Build an emergency fund ASAP. Here's the fear factor. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. Would you have enough savings to survive for 3 to 6 months? Most people don't. That's why your first big financial goal is saving 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your safety net, your financial armor. But don't stop there. What happens after you've built that emergency fund? That's when the real wealth building begins. 3. Invest early and consistently. Let me be clear. You can't save your way to millionaire status. Inflation eats away at cash. You need to invest. Whether it's through a 401k, Roth IRA, or index funds, start small, but start now. Here's the magic. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, earning a 7% annual return, you'll have over $500,000 by age 65. Double that investment, and you're in millionaire territory. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I'll break this down even more in another video. But for now, keep this in mind. Time in the market beats timing the market. 4th cut, lifestyle. Inflation. Ever notice how your expenses rise as your income rises? That's called lifestyle inflation, and it's the silent killer of wealth. Avoid upgrading your car, phone, or wardrobe every time you get a raise. Let's be real. No one will remember you for having the latest iPhone. By now, you might feel a mix of fear and excitement. Fear of staying stuck and excitement about what's possible. That's good. Fear motivates action, and excitement keeps you going. Remember, millionaires aren't born. They're built through consistent habits and smart choices. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich for sure. But here's the secret ingredient no one talks about: the power of compounding. It's the force that makes your money grow exponentially. Want to learn how it works and why starting early is everything?